We understand that as a scientific researcher, you work in a commercially demanding environment. Whatever your specialist area, at Springer Nature, we aim to work in partnership with your organisation to support the research process from start to finish. Whether you need seamless access to the most up-to-date global drug research, or the latest advances in machine learning, we are here to serve a wide range of roles within your organisation. Platforms such as rd.springer.com offer access to millions of scientific documents including journals, ebooks, protocols, reference works and proceedings, all offering discipline-specific updates based on your personalised role requirements. Discover Springer Nature Experiments, which offers 65,000 protocols and methods across the life sciences. Or ADIS Insight, a database for drug research and development, disease treatment and decision-making. A single search delivers results on drugs, trials, deals, safety and patents. Specialist information on materials science reflects the current state of findings and the opportunities and risks of nanotechnologies. ADIS, Nano, Springer Nature Experiments and Springer Materials provide invaluable insights for a wide range of industries. Our reliable, contemporary industry-specific collections of journals, ebooks and databases help your researchers to be creative and keep your organisation competitive. Our products are designed to adapt in response to your own business model. We will work with you and your organisation to support decision-making, accelerate research and development and innovation. Contact us to find out more.